So this is the third phase of your journey. You are today 9 days post-op, correct?
Correct.
We did your surgery, what we call a lower face neck lift with a lateral brow extension, the Monday last week.
Correct.
So you're exactly 9 days post today, and you're getting ready to go to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I so appreciate you because you came to your post-op visit today already putting on some makeup. You obviously did your hair, but at home you are wearing your compression garment.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
So Cleo, tell us 9 days post compared to last week's conversation we had. What has changed? How are you feeling? How is it life?
I feel great. I love the way I look. The swelling's gone down a little bit, so is a little bit of the bruising. So I can't believe what you've done. I mean, it's just amazing. I see my old pictures now, that I took just before having the operation, and it's unbelievable. It's just amazing. I'm so happy with the results.
So I mean, it's unusual. Maybe it's not unusual. You seem ready to go to work today, really. I mean, if I were to see you, do you feel swollen still? Do you feel tight? How does it feel to smile or talk? Do you feel confident to go to work tomorrow?
Yeah, I do feel confident to go to work. I feel fine, smiling it's still tight, around the neck, around the cheeks. There is some numbness, but other than that, I feel great.
Do you have, you obviously put makeup on. Do you have any particular area that's more bruised than elsewhere?
Just the side of my faces here is like yellow and a little bit down my neck area. But I've seen other videos where people really bruised a lot more. This is virtually nothing in my opinion anyway.
So do you have any makeup on your neck as well?
I used a powder. I did not use like a thick foundation or a cover up. I just used powder on my face today. I didn't want to put on makeup.
Many people may not believe you, and just because it's a significant operation and it's only 9 days out, and you have stopped taking pain medicine really, even a week ago, right?
Yeah,
approximately.
yeah.
How is that? Are you just mentally tough, or how are you able
it
to
was
do that?
It was a little tough, for a couple of days. It was a little bit uncomfortable. The cheeks felt like hot, like a little burning in the beginning, so I did take some of the meds, but then afterwards, just Tylenol was fine, and now I'm down to maybe I'll take Tylenol once, maybe twice in a 24-hour period, because there really is just no pain at all.
Your neck looks amazing.
I love it. I'm so happy with it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you,